2 weeks now.
Bro, for real.
Freaking hate it. What do you want to do, bro?
Bro, I don't know. What do you want to do?
We could play Fortnite.
Or we could do a voiceover of Emily's makeup tutorial videos.
Or
You got me tripping, stumbling, flipping, fumbling.
we could wash our cars.
Idiot, it's raining. Why don't we do that in the rain, idiot? Bro, I got it. Follow me. Hey guys, I'm Austin Kaler, and I'm an avid Fortnite player. And sometimes I play for such a long time that I fall over because I lose blood circulation. But sometimes I get hurt. So I bought this thing, my bubble vest, from my local Walmart. And when I fall over, I don't have to worry about getting hurt. So buy your bubble vest at your local Walmart.
Are you just flustered out of your mind that they've banned Tide Pods? Are you just ever sitting at the dinner table thinking, God, I'm just craving them juicy Tide Pods? Or you think back to your childhood when you'd sit down with your family and just gorge in these Tide Pods and you just can't anymore because they're banned? Look no farther than Crystal Burst. It's like Tide Pods, but better.
Totaled, but I was okay. And then we still kept the car at our house, like it was able to drive. And then every time I would look at it, I would start crying. It was really weird. It was sad.